Welcome back to eCreativeAid. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious pasta that everyone will thank you for, and also you'll thank yourself for it. So let's start by boiling the water to make the pasta. You can add oil so that it doesn't stick. We also need cylinder-shaped pasta so that the flavors penetrate into the dough after boiling. Then we cut onions like so. We put it in a pot and saute it. Onion frying time is as desired. Also, saute minced garlic. I saute it a little bit more so that it's crispy and has a caramel flavor. We line the pasta row by row like soldiers on the baking tray. Now let's make the tomato sauce. We need 4 cubes of chicken broth. We dissolve the cubes with boiling water. The molecules have gained enough energy. Then we put fresh, salt-free butter slices, so we can add salt later as we like. Then put mashed tomato juice. Now we put hot sauce as desired. Leave it to cook on low heat until it thickens. And now we cut fresh tomatoes. And we shred the rich in flavor chewy mozzarella cheese. We also need sliced pitted black olives. We drown the pasta with the tomato sauce that we prepared earlier and make sure that all the pasta absorb the flavor. We distribute the cheese evenly over the pasta so that everyone eats an equal amount of delicious cheese. Then we spread crunchy garlic and onions and black olives. You can add colored peppers. I added orange peppers and tomatoes. Then we put this masterpiece in the oven for a quarter of an hour. Thus, we have obtained wonderful flavors at once. And this is it. Thank you for watching. And if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.